are you doing? Freaking cold and wet out. Hurricanes. Can't live with them, can't live without them, right? What? Out of class early? I'll take it. Oh, it's so nasty. Fucking Sandy, who do you think you are? Grr. Look at this. That doesn't look so nice. Hurricane Sandy coming in hot. Just kidding. Sorry. Professor! Cancel class. I don't want to go. Do you guys see this shit? It's raining. It's raining, rain. Hallelujah, it's raining, rain. That's how that song goes, right? I don't want to read that. Look, I'm so excited. I have so many copies of the script sitting around my room. I've spent so much money on printing this. It costs about $1.50 to print each copy of it, and I've printed multiple copies. You only start the year with, I think, $20 in printing dollars. So I'm down to like $10 left printing dollars. And that's not to mention, I have to print like, you know, PowerPoints and lecture slides and all that stuff for my regular class. I can't just be printing scripts all the time. But I've printed so many copies of the script. Because it's pretty final, I think, at this point. So, like, I'm not expecting too much to change from now on, or to make really any changes. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, and hopefully we can make it the way it is. But before I do that, I want to nail down a potential sequel. Because I really want to make a sequel to this, but I don't have a strong, like, I have a lot of things I want to explore. There's a lot of stuff I want to explore, but I don't have a solid, like, this is what's going to happen in the sequel, and I want to have that before we start filming so that I know what I need to set up, you know? Sandy, cancel class so I can work on my script. Come on. Well, this is annoying. I'm trying on the iPhone. Yeah, of course. Yo, whatever. Try again. Fuck you. Try again. This isn't loading. Neither of them are fucking loading. Two separate things. I need to go because I have to get to campus. Because it turns out I have to get my video on the full class drive, but I don't know the locker combination for the class drive, so I need a motherfucking code that got emailed, but I can't open my email. What the hell? This is Sandy's fault. I know it. Sandy. Okay, it's getting like close, but it's like I have to go. Sandy, get the fuck out. No one likes you. You're fat. It's really just like an average day in Buffalo. There's no reason to cancel, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna wander because it's 5:30 and I have an hour and a half till I need to be back here anyway for class, so that's great. Haunted Halloween Union. Be there tomorrow and Wednesday. Crazy. Like my polka dots, gray on gray. New style coming at you. Fall 2012 fashion advice coming from me. You don't want that, trust me. So that's essentially what campus looks like. I'm trying to block it, the light, so you can see what's going on out there. But, well, there's the you know, over there, the football thingy, arena, stadium. Words. Killing time until I go back to, well, not until I go back, until I go. Someone just walked behind me. I saw them in the reflection. My hair is messy. How's this for sexy? How many people do you think are looking up at me right now? Probably a few. There's a breeze in here. What? Can you hear it on the mic? I gotta go all the way down. It's freaking me out. Why do they have so many of these mechanical rooms? That's more like it, Sandy. Yeah, you rain fucking hard. I gotta get to class, man.
I'm driving really slow, just so you know.
You can't even like see it in the camera.
Actually, I don't care if it's not.
It's like windy out. It's mad windy. Okay, let's do this. This is crazy, guys. And we have Ashley over here like, don't hurt me. Oh, God.
Oh, I stepped in a puddle trying to avoid it.
That's a deep puddle going around that. Okay, I'm gonna get, I'll see you once we're in the car. Currently running from a bus. Or a car. Thought it was a bus, whatever. Oh, this is so lame.
Okay, I still gotta let you in.
Oh, look, there's that stadium. There we go. Safe and freaking sound.
This was
Yeah, really.
balls.
Sandy.
My hands are like not a fan. Red Sox cup.
Woo. No time like the present to take a shower, right?
Our glasses are just covered.
We just whatever. Oh yeah, glasses window. Somebody invent that for me.
Oh, wait, or does it go like?
I don't. It'd be like
Together, right?
sideways. Whatever, up and down, sideways, back and forth, side to side. You know how they do it. Why, thank you. Yes, I always do that sometimes too, where I'm like, someone's coming, shuts the door, and walks away.
The shrimp curry. Yeah.
You can't smell it, but there's a lot of Indian up in this fridge. Oh,
Smell
yeah.
it.
Oh, take a whiff, guys. Mm.
It's shrimp.
That's shrimp?
Yeah, right here. Baby shrimp.
Oh, I guess, yeah.
And curry.
I mean, it is brown, though, so it's, like, hard to tell.
It's in curry.
I thought it was mud for a second.
Mud and sticks.
Sometimes I say mean things.
You're so disrespectful.
Pretty much.
You
I would
actually
say that,
smell,
like,
right?
describes me pretty easily as disrespectful.
Seriously.
But sure of myself also describes me.
Really good. Oh my god. Nice. What else is in here?
There's like cutlets and
Life itself.
Oh yeah. The cutlets, she said she's waiting for. What do you dessert?
the swill. Right?
What?
Swill. Did you mean to say swirl? Colton.
What?
You said Valerie swills her.
She swills. Yeah, that's like a...
Oh, like swills?
To, like,
I thought
swill
you-
it. No, you, like, swill it
Oh.
around. Like, that's like a
Just
motion.
making sure.
Right? Swill is a motion, right? That's a real thing. I didn't...
Not really sure. Oh, look at her.
Okay, dictionary.com up in this bitch. I'm pretty sure swill is an actual word. I think at this point somebody would have pointed it out. That's my thing.
Or maybe everyone was like, is that a word? I don't know.
I don't know. I'm just gonna trust Colton.
To
Always
drink
trust
great-
Colton.
To drink great drafts of. To feed.
Oh, see, I imagine swill as in like swirl. But swirl sounds so stupid. I'm sticking with, not that this is gonna end up in the actual movie. Like nobody's gonna say like, oh, you're swilling your glass, but like in the script it'll say that, and I feel like it should say swill rather than swirl, right? That's a yes. A definitive yes.
Yeah, this means that she
gory.
really drank her wine.
Well, I mean, maybe she did.
That she was like, "Argh!"
She's like, let me talk, guys.
She was basically just pouring it on.
Guzzled.
Yes. She's sitting there, a bucket of wine just falls on her, like, and it's all
She
sexy.
pulls that like thing.
Yeah, she pulls the string and just, bam, posing. That's one way to start the movie.